Welcome to our video on the benefits of waking up early and how to make it a part of your routine. Waking up early has been shown to have numerous benefits for both our physical and mental health, as well as our productivity and overall well-being. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing the reasons why you should wake up early and how to make it a part of your daily routine. The first step in making waking up early a part of your daily routine is to understand the benefits of doing so. Waking up early has been shown to have numerous benefits, including waking up early allows you to start your day with a clear mind and get a head start on the tasks of the day, leading to increased productivity. Waking up early allows you to get your daily dose of natural light, which can help regulate your circadian rhythm and improve your overall physical health. Waking up early can help to clear your mind and allow you to approach the day with more focus and clarity. Waking up early can help to improve your mood throughout the day, making you feel more energized and focused. One of the most important factors in making waking up early a part of your daily routine is to set a consistent sleep schedule. This means going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on the weekends. This can help to regulate your circadian rhythm and make it easier to wake up early. Creating a bedtime routine can also help to make waking up early a part of your daily routine. This might include activities such as reading, meditating, or journaling, to help you relax and prepare for sleep. Another important step in making waking up early a part of your daily routine is to avoid stimulants such as caffeine and electronic devices before bed. Stimulants can make it harder to fall asleep and can interfere with the quality of your sleep. To help make waking up early a part of your daily routine, use an alarm clock to wake up at the same time every day. This will help to train your body and mind to wake up at a consistent time. If you're used to sleeping in and waking up late, it can be challenging to adjust to waking up early. One way to make the transition easier is to gradually adjust your wake-up time. Start by setting your alarm clock 15 minutes earlier than you usually do, and gradually increase the time by 15 minutes each day until you reach your desired wake-up time. It's essential to stick to your early wake-up routine once you've established it. Sticking to your routine, even on the weekends, will help to make it a habit, and it will become easier and easier to wake up early each day. Waking up early has numerous benefits for our physical and mental health, as well as our productivity and overall well-being. By understanding the benefits of waking up early, setting a consistent sleep schedule, creating a bedtime routine, avoiding stimulants before bed, using an alarm clock, gradually adjusting your wake-up time, and sticking to the routine, you can make waking up early a part of your daily routine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.